Practical accounting, the better way to learn.
Job order costing works equally well for service jobs. Sometimes it does have direct labor. We're going to go take a look at this one. Service businesses work exactly the same, only sometimes they have slightly different names for their work in process account. They can call it progress billings or something like that. For service, rename work in process to progress billings on occasion. So the example we're going to do is for a CPA firm, Trusty and Accurate CPAs, and they do audits of companies. So we have an audit engagement for Body Works custom car bodies. So the company that just made auto bodies now needs to have their financial statements audited. So the number of audit programs in total is 10. An audit program is a set of standardized procedure on different aspects of the financial statements, like cash, accounts receivable, inventory, et cetera, et cetera. Let's say there are 10 total audit programs. And so one program is in the per unit here. We're going to bill $5,000 per audit program, or a total of $50,000. Now we have billable travel costs, auditors to go out and travel to this location. Often there are no direct materials on service jobs, but there can be. For instance, in car repair, there's direct materials, construction, hospital patients, as I mentioned previously. Those are all would have their car parts, their lumber, and their pharmaceuticals, respectively. So, but in this example, we're not going to have any direct materials, but we do have travel costs. The major one usually in service jobs is the time, the direct labor. The accountant's time is charged to each job. And then we have our factory overhead would be for shared costs like depreciation on the laptops and repairs and pencils and papers and all that good stuff, printer ink. So those are also charged to the cost of the job. We have our total cost of goods sold is the total of these. Gross profit and gross profit margin is computed the same way. Now, target margins are often used for pricing and then for control for monitoring the profitability on jobs. We'll cover that much later on in this course. And then just a note, you also have operating expenses like things for training, marketing, administration, which would not be charged to the cost of the job. They'd come in down here on the way to computing operating income for the entire business.
You can get this Excel workbook and a whole lot more stuff for free at practicalaccounting.com. See you there.